Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Ever wondered if artificial intelligence could give you an edge in the stock market? Well, today we're diving deep into Danelfin, a platform that claims to do exactly that. We'll be exploring its features, how it works, and whether it's a tool that can truly help your investment decisions. So let's get started with this comprehensive Danelfin tutorial and demo. Danelfin is an AI-powered stock analysis platform designed to help you find the best and find your inner work.
The core of the experience is the proprietary AI score, which rates stocks from 1 to 10, predicting their probability of outperforming the market over the next 3 months. You can easily filter and screen for stocks based on this score, sector, or market cap. The platform provides a detailed analysis breaking down the score into 3 pillars: technical, fundamental, and sentiment, giving you a clear view of the AI's reasoning. A key feature is the backtesting tool, which shows you the historical performance of a hypothetical portfolio based on the top AI-scored stocks, allowing you to see the potential effectiveness of their system. On the positive side, it democratizes powerful AI analysis, is very user-friendly, and offers clear data-driven insights. However, it's crucial to remember that no AI can guarantee future returns, and the platform is focused on European and US stocks, potentially limiting global investors. Ultimately, Danelfin is a powerful research assistant, not a crystal ball, helping you make more informed decisions rather than replacing your own judgment. Danelfin offers a 3-tiered pricing structure starting with a free plan at $0, which provides a solid foundation, including a daily newsletter and a limited number of stock reports and rankings. The Plus plan is priced at $10 per month and significantly expands on the free offering with unlimited reports and rankings, more portfolios. The top-tier Pro plan costs $23 monthly and unlocks completely unlimited features including portfolios and trade ideas, along with access to all alpha signals and the ability to export data to CSV for deeper analysis. Both paid plans offer substantial discounts for 2-year commitments and include a 14-day free trial. Goodbye everyone.